In Google Sites, normally you cannot move header text up or down freely, because the grid layout automatically snaps elements back into place. But you can work around this. Method 1. Change paragraph spacing. Click your text and select the line and paragraph spacing. Then choose the custom spacing and increase the space before or after paragraph. Method 2. Select spacer, drag it to the bottom of the text box, and drop it when you see the blue line. Then click on it and move the handle down. This will push the text up. To move the text down, click on this again to select it, and move it to the top of the text box. Drag the handle down to move the text down. Preview your work as always.